Today my ate is making potato french fries. Take a look. Okay, first she used the potatoes after washing, and then I'm gonna wait for her to finish it. Wait. Okay, after the peeling, but she's not done yet, he washed them again. So I'm done. And then she fills the bowl up with some water. And then he places one potato inside. Okay. So she's gonna make some french fries, cutting it to pieces. Like two. Yeah. Then also, I forgot my dog is fighting my cat.
Starting at the
potatoes.
And I accidentally cut my finger.
Oh. Let me kiss
My
it.
nail. No need. It's fine.
It's fine. Okay. And then he cuts the slices potatoes. I'm gonna wait for her to finish cutting the potatoes. Wait for her. So after he cut the fries there, she cut the fries there.
There, put it there in the other door.
She'll boil the she adds some salt, and then she mixes it with his bare hands.
What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
It's not mine.
When he's mixing and mixing and mixing,
We will just relax it for 5 minutes.
yeah. She will relax it in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
What? Not the pea. What Tenten gave me. It's very sour. And then, but my ate puts the oil. And then she boils the oil. The super boil. And then,
We will let Tenten in here. In here. Hey, Clyde will go. Hey, get Clyde. Clyde is not allowed outside. Put your food here first before. Get, Clyde faster.
Yeah.
Bro, your dog. Want to pizza.
Sacrifice one. Sacrifice one. Okay.
One. One burger.
Woo! Oh, this is me and my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
He's my friend, best friend. He also have gummies. Take a look. He is the one who gave me this. So, okay.
Give to your ate.
Okay, here. Okay, guys, let's taste this. Look at the butt cheek. Not the butt cheek. Have that gummy. This one.
Okay.
What? Pizza! No. Okay. Toppings. Eat the toppings.
Bro. Bro, look this. Bro. Bro. Some butt cheek.
Ten is very disturbing. So Ten, please open this. No reaction. No reaction.
Aba,
Oh, sorry.
Bro.
Okay,
JK.
So- she's cooking the fries, and it's served ready. It's almost done to be served and ready.
Why bucket?
Oh, today top hat. My ate has finished the French fries. These are all the steps. Bye bye, guys.